Hey everyone, welcome back to Peasy Master. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the order closed issue on Aliexpress. First, open the Aliexpress app or website and sign in to your account. Next, go to your account section. Tap on My Orders. Find the order that shows as closed and open the order details. Check the order status and look for any message explaining why the order was closed. An order can be closed for different reasons, such as a payment problem, a failed verification, an order that wasn't completed in time, or a security review. If the order was closed because the payment wasn't completed, check your payment method and make sure your card or other payment information is correct. If the issue is related to account verification, check your email for any message from Aliexpress and follow the instructions provided. After fixing the problem, you can return to Aliexpress and place the order again if the product is still available. If you believe the order was closed by mistake or you can't find the reason, contact Aliexpress customer support and provide your order details so they can review the situation. And that's it. That's how you can deal with the order closed issue on Aliexpress. Like and subscribe to Peasy Master for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.